If you're watching this video, you most likely have some concerns and questions about the banning of fluorescent light bulbs in your state. Several states began a staggered approach to this ban in 2023, and now, here in early 2025, many of you are impacted and can no longer purchase the fluorescent products that you desire. The good news is that 1000 Bulbs has been preparing for this moment for over a decade. We are the experts in making the transition from fluorescent to LED technology without skipping a beat. There are many options to get you up and running again. Want the easiest swap? Go with plug-and-play LED tubes. Just pop them into your existing fixture, no rewiring needed. Looking for even more efficiency? Ballast bypass LEDs eliminate that old ballast, cutting energy use and reducing maintenance for good. Maybe you want to use your existing ballast now, but would consider removing it later. 1000 Bulbs has that option as well with a Type AB hybrid LED tube. Not sure which one's right for you? Our lighting experts are here to help. Whether you need a simple replacement or a full retrofit, we'll walk you through the process and make sure you get exactly what you need. So do not hesitate. Shop 1000bulbs.com or call 855-948-5079 and begin your LED conversion.